Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, my student Prashant and Kirtana going to present a case study on the topic framework and rules from the subject web technologies. Before we move on to the topic, you must know what is framework and rules. First, framework. Framework are the ready-made structure that helps us to build an application faster and more efficiently. On other hand, tools. Tools are the software that assist us in writing, testing, and managing code. Examples include Django, Angular, VS Code, and Git. Together, framework and tools make our work simpler and speed up the development process.
Hello, I am Deepika. Now I am going to talk about framework and tools. Framework and tools means in the context of web service, framework and tools helps the developers to create, deploy, test, and manage services that enables the communication between different applications over the network. And then framework means nothing but it provides a pre-built components, libraries, and simplify the designs in the web service developments. There are two types of framework tools. First one is front-end and back-end. The types of framework will be contributed.
Hello everyone, I am going to continue the same topic as frameworks and tools. That's what Kirtana said. So before going detail into the topic of frameworks and tools, we just have to know what is web development. So web development is a process of creating websites and web applications. For that we have to use multiple tools and frameworks. Now we want to know what is framework. So framework is an inbuilt library or a template to create a web browser or a website or a web application. So we usually have three components, main components in web frameworks, which is front-end, back-end, and full stack. So front-end, as we all know, front-end is a process of creating a UI UX part of application or a website. This is what the frameworks we are using in front-end. React.js, which is created by Facebook, and Angular, which is built by Google, and Vue.js as well. These are the familiar frameworks which are in current web application and website creation. So these are the tools which we are using front-end development. And HTML, as we all know, HTML and CSS and JavaScript are the oldest version of creating UI UX part. And also, we all know Bootstrap, as same as the CSS, it is updated and currently using tool. Now we get to know about backend development. That's what we all know. Frontend is a UI UX process part. Here we have to know what is backend. So backend is a process of creating, developing and updating the frontend and the database into an application or a website. So here we use Node.js and Django. These are the similar and familiar frameworks which we are using in backend. Next. And these are the tools which we are using in backend. So all we know, Docker, Postman, and this. Also for database, as I said, data we have to combine a database into a front-end for application development or a website development. Here we use MongoDB, MySQL. So till now we are discussing about front-end and back-end. This is the two part of creating a website or a web application. Here we have full stack development. This is a combination of both front-end and back-end. The person who developing a front-end use similar like tools and frameworks. As same as here, we used to combine all the frameworks for back-end and also for the back-end and also for the front-end. So this is called full stack development. For here we use Next.js, Next.js, and Metro.js. These are the frameworks which we are using in the full stack development as well. And these are the technologies as of now need, learn. These are the updated technologies which we are using in Instagram.